murigereria bwigeteseni kia Ndizi TV andonsi asoberete Chinsa chokono mubaso ekeroreri tukuri Alamisi chitariki 10 umutenyino yo gatano na gatatu mwaka bw'ikirwa Ibere na merongo Ibere na isato nokegena kwa ubuna emugaso ya umbuyere gwikachinga kichiga ni ariganire kurugaiga ase studio nkomanye asenchera yobwenge naralia yagendete gukoreka ase ense ya Kenya amo norogongo rwa Gusii ase balimo gutobwate gwetera se mitandao yaito tonyore Ndizi TV News digital yonensemo ya Facebook na bayigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News kwera nande bono asegeke kekerebosyo kumanyenga naralia na kwariganirie ase Chinsa chiga cha mubaso. Ncheni kongoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita noleto kubwaterana komo kwenekia onsingo wikirale wetera senchira ya Mariogi amone chibicha nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyancha matikabanoto ya chake korwa sebunge ya Nyalibali Masaba ase wodi ya Kiamukama ase eskuru yoboroso ya Mubamba abuase abaorokia usaba teneneri baborokia banane bechi skuru nigobono banchiranire omurobelio obwe serikali murobelio bw'ekisemi oyumanyekanete buna CBC asebatebire eyonere nchirayoka yogokinia ebyegwa gati ya borokiwa okwana chinga kiekyo omwalimu munene mesha kinyakeliga boigoniga irokoboko engana yokoroseria bana endagera ya mubaso asaburiria serikali kwangoya na kwene kiabuna umurobelio yongo chakore gukora imirimo bene umurikito Mildred Mumanyi nagendete kubwatia oroboti urukurende yenere nkwana yabateneria bwokorwa sensemo ya Mubamba.
And continue with the journey of faith. Our desire and our hope is that which you have started, oh God, you start it and complete it well, because you are the beginner and the finisher of our faith. Father, this afternoon, as the mother of this home, as the mother of this household, I humble myself before you and intercede in prayer.
The CBC program that was introduced by the government, nimeona imeshika moto hapa vizuri sana. We've seen a number of talents from different students, and this shows that in the next 5 or 10 years there will be great improvement as far as talent ya watoto is concerned.
If can be able to extend his hand in supporting the feeding programs in schools as it is doing in ASAL areas. So learners are concerned because the cost of living is very high. That's why the learners, most of them, they know that they are sleeping hungry at home. So when they come to school, we realize that parents cannot be able to support the programs which they used to support. So you find that learners, when they go home during lunchtime, a number of them, they are getting a number of challenges. You find that others, they go to look for the parents, they find there is nothing at home. So when they come back to school, you find that they are angry, they cannot concentrate in class. So if there is a remedy, if you can be able to come out with a way through which boys and girls can be supplemented in the lunch program so that you cannot be able to give the parents the burden, as one of the stakeholders at the principal, I would appreciate.
Wanchu murigereria togo sava okwabera sogoncho kanana kwa mariogine chibi cha sokoburukana kurende tigatoiranirere oroboti ruatangana gocha bua sembeo ayona masavo agendrete gokoreka ase skuru ya Sirunga y'Abanyaroka akeroli tkulia rero abalimu abayibuli n'abarokiwa bagendrete kumirana asenchire moyogo sava usegokora masavo chinga ky'abarokiwa baguche gusieka chiskuru kurende omwalimu omonene bw'eskuru eyo Eva Odhiambo nere okora masabayo roboti rogendete kwariganirwa n'omulike ito Jomangi korwase county ya Nyamira.
And continue with the journey of faith. Our desire and our hope is that which you have started, oh God, you start it and complete it well, because you are the beginner and the finisher of our faith. Father, this afternoon, as the mother of this home, as the mother of this household, I humble myself before you and intercede in prayer for all the teachers, all the students, all the support staff, the board of management, the ministry.
Litukolia igoro obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya amono obomo bwa serikali gose Kenya Kwanza mbacha getebene gucha okora chinkwana igoro yokoligereria ebintu byengencho biri birengeta Kenya ase okoigwanana bono abarai ao korwa sorongo rwa Gusii anena abarai bechi kanisa nigo besokire na kobolia abarai yabukorwa ase Chinsa mecho Ibere banyare ko baba kuligereria mono igoro ya magima ya Kenya omorandia anemwel ngati yabarai korwa sorongo rwa Gusii orule birengereri byaye igoro ye chinkwanecho gose bipartisan talks
ya kwanza na Azimio nini nditu aba sababu na abakoreri banyasaye chi bishop Chionsi P igo twateba baira na baigwane bakwane baena ne birengereri ekero tande twachage korigereria abantu borobuo eba bwata majibu na bono kwanza ibwata majibu bona abali batole tuba kwanza babwata majibu already kiagerekera umuntu agotebana ena nusu mukate umuntu atagete no muntu oyo nde agoteba obugima bwakongire ete torone na kito konyo mu Kenya ngai nende bono nusu mukate bone kuruira na boto kolige una abakoreri banyasaye twakumi ngai nende bono nusu mukate kuruira kiagera abe bagoteba ete tumerane tukwanire e financial bill tukwanire obugima muna bwakongire aba bande moina bamayakorigeria kera batete kubulibo bamayagoteba no ruburai batagete Azimio yakwanite buya sana yaba kandi tuntori interested na handshake ntatagete nusu mukati ete tukwanire obugima
Chinga kecho murandia nemwel nigabulira baraya bokorwa Chinsa mecho Ibere banyare ko baba gukwana ekene gyoka chinga kibagenderete kumirana na koligereria igoro ya magima ya Kenya asate bire mbabwenere tikoira na ebichara gose kwamererania ase chinkwane echo gentokira irere ya matunda tabaisa gosoka korwa ase chinkwane echo nigatebira maisonsi ya Kenya nigarochie gochia sabara yabo na igo ne babwenerete babeke siasa ensemo na koligereria ngana kya Kenya baguche gokonyeka wetera ase chinkwanecho
igo twari gosaba igamuna abakoreri na twabasaba nande baigwana ndi bakwandire aba eserikali bali baguche gokwanira mangana kwanza etari go basaba don't preempt. Because if you preempt, we may not go somewhere. Because you have already preempted what Azimio wants, nusu mukati, what Azimio wants, handshake, of which Azimio has got nothing of that kind. Balibago jugo kwanda kuruwe serikali. Batike ku preempt. Bale te birengere byabo, na bale te birengere byabo, bitegereru. Kero kende bali babere aba babere bachorire rende bakora e patisanie muina musyoka Kalonzo nara ichungwa nara baba ante chinga kibateba mangana abo ayo manara ochoriro gochikotenendera na iwa bateba na he will not allow what you have not known what has been put on table. I cannot allow. Whatever tayari, you will not allow. That means you are preempting. There is no need. If kwanza keroje mugente kengere yuko tokonya jabakana mapema tumanya bakanire kiagara kero koligere kwanza they are working on a determined mind.
Wanju muligereria gotigana na yo yabarai korwa soro ngoro Gusii nigo tugukwanira iguru yamangana yengencho y'omuntu ekiroba n'ebikore by'amangana yengencho y'abantu aiga Kenya ayo akarego sokigwa n'eki kampuni kiri kyeire kinguru cyo gusangiria amangana yengencho ose personal information nigo bono yabeire lyote mono aiga sense ya Kenya ekera mangana abubisi y'abantu agendrete gosoka mono guchia ase emitandao elyogokeya na gukora agosokiwa kububisi bw'abakenya nigo bone kiombe kelegia Data Protection Commission yachakire kurwa maigerio guchia saba Kenya na kubasemia banyare ko baba koboria nganaki amangana babubisi agendrete gukora imirimo ase Chinsa mecho nigo boigo batebire abantu banyare kwewo bosemia ngana kibawendete wetanga kwenana amangana boyobubisi ochiase bantu bande bonsi bakweruka bakorwa se e company ya Data Protection Commission asabego babekire mirobyo bene ngana kibago chigotanga na gukora obotutukano obwo.
You're being asked to provide your ID, your email address, phone number, your date of birth. Ask how this data is supposed to be used. And if you're not given an answer, do not give this personal data.
If you're a data controller and data processor and you are collecting information from minors, there should be an outline procedure on how you will be collecting that information and how you will safeguard the information.
You as a data subject, you have the right to access your personal data, where you can go to an organization and tell them, this is what I want to know about my data, and they should process and they should adhere to your requests.
Obotumeki bwa chinchira chekerero gose internet ase chiskuru nigo bono bwanchiranirwe amo naboroki wabange ase chisukuru ase kerengo kemerongo 53 igoro yeme yaboroki wa nigo bagoteba bakowoki wa mono chinga kibagotumeka chinchira chekerero ase amasoma abo chinga kemerongo kianda na Isano na Isato igoro yeme yaboroki wa banchiranire buna abotumeki bo mtandao ni bole raisi ase amasoma abo naenda aboroki wabange nigo bawikirana ase chiskuru ao chinga kibagotumeka emitandao gose internet okwana chinga kicho korwa roboti gorongana kyobotumeki bwe mitandao ase chiskuru bogenderete omori kyobotambe ase wizara yechisemi Belio Kipsang niganchiranete buna eserikali mbachokobeke merobele mekiranu na kwene kia chiskuru chinyinge chanyorire obotumeki bwe mitandao gose internet asebo iganchiranete buna mbale maiso aso kwene kia ngotanga bale abana aso gotumeka bobe emitandao.
To see a situation where we can share the teachers that are there. A teacher at Alliance High School can be teaching in Wajir High School through a virtual system. And this way we can be able to adequately optimize on our human capital. Technology is a double-edged sword. And we must be able, therefore, to get ways in which our young ones are protected.
Reflect. We can be able to improve and achieve greater success in the future. This is also why we are keen to organize the creative competition so that the students can also reflect on the impact of the internet.
Otigana na roboti urubono mwanchu murigeria twaenda guikasa mangana arengete oboremi asorgongo rwa Africa gose Horn of Africa abwaso musangirekano gweterase kyombekia igad amone Chinsa chirichire obwamo ase kyombekyo nigo baumiranete elikobeke merobeli mekiranu ngana kibaratange ogonchorelia kwelire okugokoreta amaba mange gati yabo murakera amo nembure nyinge okwana asumusangirekano yekiranetwe n'abawaziri korwase Chinsa ao ejichira sobwamo obworogongo rwa Africa nigo banchiranire koligia chinchera munana kibaranyale ko babagukora omochando yo bwonchorelia kwelire nigo boigo batebire engana yechingige eyue narite gocha gose eyue narite kwenda se Chinsemo ao na gusalia ebimeri nigo baranyale ko bakuyekora onyerioka baisaransire na koligia chinchera chingikirano ngana kibagukora obokongobo.
Later this year we'll have El Nino phase and early next year. What that means for this region? That means a lot of rains.
And this really necessitates a coordinated early warning and response systems.
Between us, but also collaborate with countries that are next to us. And if we don't do, we will not be able to tackle, because these pests don't know boundaries.
Pastures fail, or when like we have an attack by the locusts and they clear the vegetation, then the number of animals that die are very, very high.
Negati y'abanyangero abasomu abasani n'abairi bayenya gusira Professor Michelle Gedai Mugo nigo bomeranete litukuligoro bunenchereyemo yoko muinyora nyagusira oyoba mukwanete koba umusubati umutangani asukwigerera igoro yoboene bwa mwanya bantu nakobo mworoki omuya ase University ya Nairobi nyagusira Michelle Mugo gose Michelle Mugo niganyara ko bakagusiria ubugima kitariki 30 cy'umutunyo gatano na limo omwaka oyo iga ase bamutogeti muno agotebanga nigatigete gose nigatigire libarato ligwenerete kwegwa asa basubati bonsi asorgongo rua ansengima.
Taught us that the sound and power of culture was everything. I also want to give tribute to Tata because nobody was a better friend than she was.
Not fear death, let us not acknowledge there's too much spirit of this community spirit of Ubuntu was very much in Michelle. She really, particularly and also with the oral.
Omo subati Mother Karua amo na Dr. Willy Mtunga voigomba ikiranete asumurobelio yoko legateli tukuligoro aseba motogati voigo nyagusira Michelle.
And identifying their geniuses is amazing in a world that derides self-education and reflection.
Michelle was a distinguished daughter of the soil for social justice, a feminist, a Pan-Africanist who embraced Ubuntu.
Wanchu mulgirira nara yuwa senchira yuwenge kolende na ende chikoroga Chinsa ikomi mese yeiga ya Amayia ende no chiko ya nyora asenchire yuwenge nyora baliki baito nigo bali Chinsemo au kwene kia bunangu chiruko ya nyora iyo munenda mange asenchira yubuikiranu ye Chinsa oseyensemo ya butuko ne Chinsa isato chubutuko bwalero Biamono kigima sibali mwato bwatiri wetera senchira yimitandao Ndizi TV News Digital on Facebook abayigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube kwa kangambia mono bali batuligereirie ase TV ya ino ase chinka chaino tomera naende kerebire byo biraike olito bwatira nakomo kwene kia chibicha niliogiria wikeira senchira yo bororo nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na ichini gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita